Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $400 for free on the Coinbase app. Coinbase is a platform for buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrency. It has a built-in exchange, allows you to stake crypto for rewards, and even has a learning program where you can earn free crypto just by completing educational activities. Let me walk you through how it works step by step. First, if you haven't already, download the Coinbase app and sign up. Once you have the app, you'll need to set up your account. This includes connecting your bank account or payment methods and going through the standard verification process. This process is similar to what you do for most investing apps. Once your account is ready, you're good to start earning. Now, open the app and let's explore the different ways you can earn rewards. One option is staking, which is available on the Earn tab in the app. Staking means you let Coinbase hold your cryptocurrency to support the network, and in return. However, the best way to earn free crypto on Coinbase is through their Learning Rewards program. You can find this feature in the middle of the main screen, or by tapping the three dots in the top left corner and selecting Learning Rewards. This program allows you to earn crypto by watching short videos and answering quizzes about various cryptocurrencies. It's simple and informative. For example, I recently earned few dollars worth of VeChain tokens by completing a few quick lessons. To get started, tap the lesson you want to complete, like the VeChain tutorial. The app will show you some basic information about the token, such as what it is and how it works. Afterward, you'll take a short quiz. If you get the answers correct, Coinbase immediately rewards you with the specified amount of cryptocurrency. Let's say I just completed a quiz about VeChain and got the answers right. That earned me $1 worth of VeChain. If you keep going through the available lessons, you can earn more. These learning activities are updated regularly, so check back often to see what's new. Once you've completed the lessons and earned rewards, you can check your balance by going to the My Assets section of the app. Scroll down and you'll see all the tokens you own. For example, my VeChain balance now shows $1 from the lesson I just completed. In addition to learning rewards, Coinbase sometimes offers quests, such as the Coinbase Wallet Quest, which can earn you up to $30. These are another great way to get free crypto while exploring the app and learning more about blockchain technology. By participating in these programs, you can earn up to $400 in free crypto over time. It's a great way to get started with cryptocurrency without any upfront investment. Plus, you'll gain valuable knowledge about different crypto projects along the way. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to earn free crypto using the Coinbase app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.